This is the 1957 Remington Quiet-Riter typewriter. It has been refurbished and is ready to type. Everything works on as it should, and it's ready to go. This typewriter looks really good overall. The keys look good. The Quiet-Riter sticker there is a little faded. And there's a nick on this top left corner. That's probably the most noticeable spot on it. The finish overall looks really good. And the planting and paper feed rollers and rubber feed are all in really good shape. And it types really well. When you load paper into this typewriter, you set it in there and roll the planting. Sometimes it wants to pull the paper a little sideways. If it does that, move it up to where it's about equal there. And then there's a lever on the right that releases the feed rollers so you can move the paper around. Straighten it out and then push the lever back down to lock the feed rollers in place. And then you're ready to type. This typewriter also comes with a reprinted user's manual. And the case, which looks fairly good overall. It does have some bare spots on it. Some scratches. And at one time, this case had been cracked on the inside and has been reinforced with wooden strips. But it is solid now, and it will protect the typewriter. There's a spot in there where it's worn too. But it does last well. It's solid. That's from the 1957 Remington Quiet-Riter.